Today I'm going to show you how to schedule your service appointment online. Currently, our Bob Ruth Ford Service Department is scheduling appointments for pickup and delivery service if you live within a 50-mile radius of the dealership. If you're unable to schedule your appointment online, which I'm going to show you here in just a moment, you can just give us a call at 717-432-9614. And currently our service hours are Monday through Friday from 7:30 in the morning until 3 p.m. All right, guys, let's get back to scheduling the service appointment. So this is the mobile version. It's going to be a little bit different than if you do have a desktop, which I'll talk about those points as we get to them. So right now here on the iPhone, the top three lines here, the little white lines in the top right corner, click that. That's going to open up your menu for you. Then you're going to click on Service and Parts. Once this mini menu opens, click on Schedule Service. This is the point where you will put in all your vehicle information. Now, as I had mentioned, there is a little bit of a difference between the mobile version and the desktop. In this screen is where you will see one minor difference. On the mobile version, when you go to click on your vehicle year, make, and model, you do have to scroll down to the bottom of the page in order to see the years available. In this case, I'm just going to choose a 2015 Ford Explorer. Now, if you are navigating through this page on a desktop version, everything will pop up in the center of your page. You don't have to scroll for all your vehicle information. As far as vehicle details, you do not need to enter any mileage or your VIN number in the screen. Then you click Next whenever you're ready. This is where any information as far as maintenance plans, promotional details, and where you can actually type in a description of the vehicle issues that you might be experiencing. I'm just going to type in flat tire just so we have something as far as information. Click Next. In the following screen here, this is where you'll be able to put in for a service advisor. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you can click any of the available service advisors that we do have at Bob Ruth Ford. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to select Request Valet Service. Now let's say I did want to have my vehicle maintenance on the 6th. If it is unable to find an appointment time, it will let you know with a notification pop-up. So let's go back to April the 7th. There are some appointment times available that day, and it will tell you what we do have available as far as times. I'm going to choose 8 a.m. Click Next whenever you're ready. In this screen is where you will put in all your contact information, contact phone number, as well as your email address. Once you would be done, just click Next to continue. We do want to ensure our customers that we are going through the safest processes as possible. We do want to maintain your safety as well as our staff. So we do have a disinfecting process that will be utilized 2 times on your vehicle. The first time it will be disinfected is prior to any service provided on your vehicle. At that point, our trained mechanics will complete your scheduled maintenance. Once the vehicle is done, your vehicle will then undergo another round of the disinfecting process before being returned back to you. We want to thank you for allowing us to serve you during this time. If you have any questions or like I said, to schedule your appointment online, visit us at bobruthford.com. And we do have limited staff available as well. They are available Monday through Friday. Just give us a call at 717-432-9614. Thank you so much, and I hope this video helps.